is the computational thinking skill cause and effect. When children connect a cause to an effect, they explore how one action or event, a cause, brings about another, an effect.
That gives me an idea. Come on!
Malik, Zadie, and Zeke explore cause and effect by building a chain reaction machine to water Cat and Kit's sunberry blossom. They figure out how one part of their machine can cause the next part of their machine to do something.
Let's test it and see if it works.
The Wombats call this connect the cause to the effect.
The ball hit the bell on Ellie's house. Come on! Yeah!
Here's where you can find more Work It Out Wombats resources for children, parents, and educators.